What are you doing?
Well, I spied this little old Bedford truck and I thought, well, we should poke our head in the door and have a look and see what it's worth. Look at that, it's even yellow. Oh, I don't know. Does that mean we have to walk past the jolly gate though, doesn't it? Okay, anyway, let's go and check it out, shall we? Might be a bit grim though. Well, we might be aiming a bit low for a quality truck, but the bloody thing's probably a collector's item by now, so it costs us a fortune. But anyway, let's go and check it out. We might have to go through the gate, I think. You can always get a mobile dig with me. $3,800 reckons it's probably somewhere around that 380,000 kilometres on the thing and all. It looks a bit like a collector's yard to me. $6,800. They want more for that than they do for the bloody thing. Oh, that's a bit rude. Maybe we do that one. Real. That's the old school brakes though, so that'd be a bit of a worry. That's smaller than, it's wider than the car trailer, isn't it? That we've got. I think that might be a renovator's dream. They've reupholstered one of the front seats. My brain's screaming at me going, don't do it, you idiot. I think we might just aim a little bit higher than that. Don't kick the tyre too hard, it might fall off. Shh, let's go. I don't think we're that good at renovators. No, I think we might aim a bit higher.